guys, so in this video I'm going to be giving you guys an apartment tour based on popular demand by you, my audience. You've always requested to see an apartment tour of where I live, also talk about the amount and everything. So I decided to make this video for you guys. I hope you all are happy. Subscribe to my channel if you're ready. Let's go. Of course, these are the mailbox, then the bell for each of the apartments. So I'll be showing you the cellar, which is the basement. So one thing you should know, in every German apartment you find a cellar, which is the basement. Now in the basement is where you find, you keep things you don't need in your apartment, like boxes, things you bought in the past, maybe spoiled items, all those kind of things. Every apartment here has a space they keep their stuff. In here is where you find mine. So here you find all of those kind of things. If your apartment doesn't have a basement, ask for a refund or a reduction in rent from your landlord or landlady. It's your right. So now I'll be taking you to the main apartment. Yes, the living area. We have an elevator here. Maybe I should use it. Yeah, I usually don't use it always because I like to be active. But yeah, for the sake of the video, that's why I'm using it. So next up, is the room. Welcome to my board. Just once you enter, it's the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. It's pretty small kitchen, but it's okay, not complaining. And these were all fixed. These are all here. In most houses you might find there might not be any kitchen. You might have to buy a kitchen. Yeah, this is what it looks like. The dishwasher is somewhere here. Keep all your cooking utensils like pot, pans and all those things. And yes, it's the electric stove. I know in my previous apartment he had something like this. It's controlled from here. Here you can, your scissors, knives, spoons and everything. Yeah, this is what the fridge looks like. And when you move a little bit further, my uniform, you already know I work at the airport. And then on the right is the washroom. Doing some laundry. That's me. Hi. So yeah, pretty decent toilet, you would say. And here is the room, my private area, my retro area. So it's a no-go area. No, I'm just kidding. So this is the minimalist room. I hope I said that well. This is what it looks like. Sorry about this mess. So much that is on the bed. Yeah, but this is what the room looks like. It's pretty decent, I would say. So this is what the living area looks like this large screen over there, and then the sofa, center table also. And in my previous apartment, I had like a different kind of heater. Like the heating comes from the floor, but this is like what you see in most of the apartments in Germany. This is where all the creativity takes place. That's why you should support my work by subscribing to my channel. You know, like all my videos, watch my videos just to support me. Because when I see all of your views, maybe I should turn on the light a little, so there's a little light in here. So when I see your support by liking or watching my video or commenting, it gives me more motivation, you know, to shoot and create more videos, you know. So like I said, this is the workspace, but like most times it's just paperwork that I've done here, shooting videos. Just a little about my setup here. So this light is from Newer. It's really good. You can also control it behind. I've got this headset and then PS5, you know, I also stream on Twitch. Here I also got this keyboard from Amazon. It came together with the mouse, and then the Elgato media card. So this is what I use in streaming, like from my PS5 from the monitor, and then I stream directly on with the MacBook here. So I have like the software on the MacBook, and then the visuals are on the monitor. This monitor is from LG. I think I got it around 300 euros. And then also the mic. I forgot the company. Okay, FDs, that's the name. And then this receiver, so it connects the mic, give it a better audio output. It's called Behringer. And yeah, I also got this set from Amazon. This is where all of the creativity takes place. And here I have like my gym bag. I just kept it here because it's easy. Once I'm going to the gym, I could just easily grab it and then directly outside. Yeah, it's not a big apartment. It's like 50 it's 50 square meters, if I'm not wrong. And this is what it looks like during the day. And at night, this is what it looks like. So it's really, really, really nice at night when I'm creating videos. So I'm just going to show you what the balcony looks like. Especially now in the summer, you need it. You need balconies. So you should already know how the doors and windows open in Germany. Here. Oh, sorry, I think I made a mistake. My bad. Like this, it goes this way. And when you put it back and pull it, it opens fully. Yeah. So I show you how it looks here. It's pretty warm today, and that's why I have like the tank top. Yeah, so this is what this balcony looks like. Yeah, let's sit here, you know. The only disadvantage about this balcony is like when this tree is full, when wind blows, all of it comes here. But I mean, that's just by the side. But it's pretty nice here. This is what the neighborhood looks like. The good thing about this place is that you have the tram station just 5 minutes away. It's like 5 minutes walk from here. You have a store just behind there, Penny, and Norma is just behind, so you can easily just walk there, you know, to get stuff if you need anything. So it's a pretty decent location. And I know you're waiting to know how much is the apartment, like the rent. So the rent here costs about 800 euros. That's like the rent, and then utilities is about, call it maybe 150, summing it up to give and take 1,000 euros. So yeah, it's a really cool apartment. I like it. I hope you guys enjoy the apartment tour. It's not a big apartment, so I mean, maybe that's why it shouldn't be like such a long video. you know, whenever I shoot videos and post and I read the comments, I also pay attention to it, like what you guys want, like the kind of videos you want to see on my space. And that's why I came up with this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you like this apartment tour. And this apartment is in Baden-Württemberg, Weinheim. Yes, that's where it's located. So if you want to get apartments like this, you could use Imo Scout 24. There you can find apartments easily. All you just need to do is go on the filter, put in the kind of apartment, your budget, and yeah, just check on a daily basis. Sometimes if you go on the app, you can set like a notification when there's like an apartment for rent. So for those who have been asking me how can I get apartments, you can use Imo Scout 24 to get apartments here in Germany or in any part of Germany. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Also smash the like button on this video. Drop those beautiful comments. Tell me what you think about my apartment tour. Tell me what you think. I really want to know. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section as well. I'll be responding to them. If you're yet to follow me on Instagram, I really don't know why. Do well to follow me on Instagram at @TamySticks and share this video so it gets to a wider audience. So that's it. Thank you for viewing my apartment with me. It's time for you to take a leave. Adios.
I'm young and turned. I'm young and turned. I'm young and turned. I'm in this bitch popping my shit.